Hi guys, this is Lisive Masota Network again, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my other videos. Guys, today I just want to show you how to convert your photo to look like one of those photo shoot that you go out there and pay for. So now you're going to do that for free. You're going to just select your one of your photo that you want. You want the background to look very clear, look maybe with a certain either a chair or anything that you would want your photo looks like at the background. So this is how you're going to do. You're going to go to Google. You just search a company called, or a website called uh, Banana Prompts. So it's called a Banana Prompts. So there it is, it appears there on my screen. So then you're going to click on Banana Prompts. There you go. So there is a template you're going to use. So you're going to select any templates that you think it resonate, that you think the background will be as nicer as you would want it to be. So some templates you need to pay for them, some they are just free. So we're gonna look for the free templates that you will use. Okay, well, I'm gonna look for something nicer. Here we go. Okay, I like the guy retrato editorial guy with the blue shirt and the white trouser there. So we're going to use the background uh, of this picture or this template. So it will also come with the clothing the guy is wearing. So yeah, that your picture will look like this gentleman. So we're going to go to copy like this. Copy, I mean on the left where you see copy, click there. Then we're going to select any random picture using ChatGPT. So we're going to use any random picture using ChatGPT. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. Okay, I'm gonna select one of my photo here. So that will just go straight. You can start with going to your ChatGPT and select that little cross there, and it will take you to your files to select the picture. Okay, I selected my picture. In that where you see the cursor you know showing, so you just hold your finger there, and then you will see the paste or autofill. Then you select paste, then it will take all the prompts from that picture we selected from Banana Prompts, and then you paste all the prompts here. So you're gonna go to the arrow where you see this white blue round arrow there. So in this is the ChatGPT. Then you just click there. Then the ChatGPT can convert your photo to look exactly like the gentleman there with all his clothes. So it will be like a completely new photo, but with your picture, the background exactly how we actually copied from that other one. So we're gonna wait and see while the ChatGPT does its own thing. Okay, so then you don't have to pay anything. Then if you love the photo, then you can use the photo for your for your social media photos, or any if you want to do the what, if you want to paste it on one of your social media platforms. There you go. So this is the photo. If you look at the photo, it looks exactly like the gentleman, and it looks exactly like a photo shoot. So I hope this is just for educational purposes, guys. And yeah, I hope this makes it easy for you to get any photo that you would like, which is very clear, without paying anything. So thank you guys again. Please subscribe my channel, Lisibe Masota Network. It's out there. Please go and view all the tutorials, and I hope you learn something every day, something new every day. Lisibe Masota Network. Subscribe, like, and thank you guys. and see you on the next videos. Thank you. Bye.